Hello guys, we have another collection of devices for you that we gathered from the internet. We'll show you a few cool devices today that you'll undoubtedly enjoy. Why wait any longer? Let's watch the video. Number 1. Fantom X Wallet. Meet the Fantom X Wallet. The Fantom X is designed to meet the unique demands of every different user. With the different attachment options available, you can customize your Fantom X to perfectly suit your needs for holding cash, keys, coins, and more. You may even track the wallet with your phone. A flick of the lever provides instant access to all of your cards. A quick access thumb slot is also available to access your most used card without fanning. Even with the cards fanned out, the Fantom wallet is carefully engineered so that the cards will not fall out. The cards come out only when you need them. The perfect balance between security and ease of access lies in the magic of our patented design. Number 2. Workstation Bag. Now, you will be able to carry your Moose laptop bag as a backpack without having any extra straps. We added a rectangular ring on the side, so with the current shoulder strap, you will be able to convert the shoulder bag into a backpack whenever you want to. This was one of the most requested features, and it really works well now as a backpack too. The USB port's connector cable is located in this pocket. It is 30 long, so you can attach it to your own power bank or laptop. The Moose Designs laptop bag is a professionally made, stylish, and innovatively designed bag for mobile entrepreneurs, creators, and adventurous people. This laptop bag is not just a laptop bag, it is a mobile workstation that does much more than just carry a laptop. Number 3. Banana Loca. Love bananas with peanut butter, fruit jams, or Nutella, but hate trying to spread on slippery banana slices? Ever watched your kids struggle picking up the slices off their plate? Wish you didn't have to wait to get home after the gym to refuel? Banana Loca solves these problems by placing yummy food pairings inside the banana, all while making snack time fun and convenient. When we looked around to see what could place Nutella, peanut butter, or fruit spreads into a full banana, top to bottom was the biggest challenge. How to straighten a banana in order to core it, and then the easiest way to fill it that worked great with a variety of food pairings from easy yogurts to thick honey down at the bottom. The banana is still in its peel, leaving no mess, perfect for snack time with kids and taking it with you on the go. Number 4. Sleep HoHo Robot. According to the CDC, people dealing with short sleep duration patterns are more exposed to heart attack, coronary heart disease, diabetes, asthma, arthritis, and depression, which has prompted us to start working on improving sleep in 2020. Sleep HoHo Smart Sleep Robot is equipped with a sound sensor, light sensor, and motion sensor, and evaluates your sleep status through the microwave radar. It is prepared to record and analyze indoor noises, light intensity, and other elements, and it combines these capabilities with a microwave radar. What does all this mean? In simple terms, this robot can detect whether there are people in the room if the environment is suitable for resting, and whether the user is asleep, snoring, or even talking in their sleep. Number 5. Limbic Active. Limbic Active is the first home fitness solution that keeps you active while you're focusing on fun. Our interactive system turns any wall with a projector into your favorite ball games, a variety of fitness classes, and lots of entertaining games to develop and train physical and cognitive skills. So, whether you want to work out, make your kids move regularly, or just want to have fun with your friends in an active way, Limbic is ready to unleash your physical activity. Limbic works with any projector or display and comes with more than 30 pre-installed exergaming and fitness applications to improve your strength, endurance, flexibility, and motor skills. With high-precision motion tracking technology, you get instant feedback allowing you to train effectively and safely. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the Easy Life channel, and let me know what you thought in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.